sync. So I wanted to give you a short update on... oh god, it's really having issues. I wanted to give you guys a short update on how this is going. So far I tried now and do some research with why this is not booting into BIOS at all. So I did like disconnecting each RAM stick. I changed them around. I tried different positions. I did some research and found out that racing cards or CPUs, they don't like, or they don't have a GPU, so you actually need a GPU inside of the case in order to make it boot. So I actually threw the GT730 inside of the case, and then I also figured out I did try the RX 460, which has a fan on it, and it didn't spin at all. So I figured out it might have been a power issue, like I didn't have enough power. So I actually went out and picked up an extra power supply with the right set of connectors and enough power to at least make this run and then some. And that did not work at all, and I tried to add a extra fan because some systems or some motherboards are known to have issues getting into BIOS if there's not a CPU fan or a system fan. Now I do have the CPU fan in place, and now I also got a system fan, but still it doesn't do anything. It doesn't, like, this monitor right here is hooked up to this computer right now, and it doesn't do anything. Like, the only thing, I tried to clear CMOS a bunch of times with no success. I can try to clear it once more with something that should be fine. Short depends, they say. It'll be fun, they say. It's enough. Just to clear everything. And still nothing. So the only thing I got left is actually to take everything apart, because this heatsink makes me have to unscrew the motherboard from the case in order to take it off and check the CPU itself, like see if there's any bent pins or something ridiculous like that before I can even go further. This sucks, to be honest, but hey, it is what it is. I just wanted to let you know, so now you know.